You searched how to buy shares of Associated Banc-Corp. Associated Banc-Corp is a regional commercial and retail bank trading on NASDAQ under the ticker ASB, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy ASB, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ASB. Then select the matching Associated Banc-Corp listing from the results to open the stock page. On the Associated Banc-Corp page, review basic company details and the price chart. Confirm the listing shows NASDAQ and the ticker ASB to ensure it is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and submit the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be set as pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order fills, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, find the eToro link in the description below.